Today I'm gonna do an infinite bubble volcano. First we need a mini volcano and it's like this. Then I'll add at least in this type of cup I'll add 2 scoops of baking soda and 1 scoop of citric acid. I'll mix it well then. Then the next step is we'll need a funnel for this one. I'll place it over here. I'll need the spatula for this. I'll very slowly pour the contents of this cup into the volcano. I'll press it a bit if the chemical gets stuck. This may take some time, but we have to make sure this doesn't fall down. Now I have added 5 ml of liquid soap and 20 ml of water in it. Remember guys, first put the liquid soap in. Then we'll mix well to make a soap solution. I will now add 5 drops of red color because we'll have to add some more drops, otherwise this can't be showed. And we'll have to mix it well. And now we'll pour it in there. It may take some time. We'll have to do it all at once. Then we'll pour some out and wait for it. Wait for it. Bam! I'll just shift it so you can see it. Now this is what you call a bubble volcano. Let me lift the tray for you. I'm loving this, and it will do it as long, but it won't. We'll have to throw some down a little of the solution so that it will work. Look at all this. Oh no, a volcano is erupting. Oh, I want to play with it, but I won't touch it. Just look at this. It's getting out. It definitely bubbles. The science behind this is carbon dioxide gas is released with the mixture of baking soda and citric acid, but the soap solution traps the reducing gas. This slows down the reaction, creates more bubbles, and increases the duration of the volcano blast. And it is still getting out. But when I have stopped this for 1 minute, but it is still just flowing down. Wow. Bye guys. Follow for more experiments.